how should I put this? We're using the delta time in Unity to do the animation for zooming in and out. And okay, when you die, everything is slowed down, especially the delta time. So that means the camera won't move because the delta time is extremely slow or low. So that means we need to use something else instead of the delta time. Okay, so we need to use what do we need to use? Okay, we need to use a value that is similar to the delta time but does not slow down when the overall time in the game is slowed down by Unity. So we need to do that. So this might seem, okay, this might look to be rather confusing, but okay, it's actually quite straightforward. Okay, so okay, first thing first, wait, then call zoom. Okay, so these are the default values. Okay. So since the zooming in is not occurring, then okay, that means we need to check where we slow everything down. So let's see, show game over player. Yeah. Okay, so let's see, show game over. Okay, so this is what we use to make everything slower. Okay, 0.05. Okay, so we need to, okay, maybe we can try to change the smooth time. So instead of using 0.05, okay, we can use a much smaller value. Okay, show. Oh, okay. So we need to divide by 20 because 0.05 is 1 divided by 20. Okay, so for our scene manager here, instead of 0.01, we'll use 0.0005, which is 0.01 divided by 20. And over here, instead of 0.005, we'll use 25. Okay, 025. Yeah. And of course we need to change the smooth time as well. So instead of 0.05, we'll change it to something smaller. So that means here. Okay, let's allow the changing of the smooth time. Okay, so smooth. Okay, so float, smooth time. Okay, so the default is 0.05. Okay, we must make sure to use that for when we level up, but not for when we are trying to commit suicide. So time over here, smooth time. So everything is 20 times lower. Okay, when we die. So, and that includes the smooth time. Okay. Comma. Let's see. Oh. The smooth time is 0.05. Okay, but over here we will have a new smooth time here. Okay, now let's go to our scene manager and we can specify our new smooth time, which is 0.05 divided by 20, so 0.0025. Okay. Yep. Okay, so let's test this. So I would say our chances of it working is around 50%. Okay, but let's see what happens. Okay, when we test it, okay, fingers crossed. Okay, so if this still doesn't work, that means we really have to use something besides the delta time, or the time that Unity uses to determine if something is slow or if something is fast. Okay, so we are going to commit suicide here. Okay, so we are still not zooming in. Okay. Yeah, so that means we might need to use something else besides the time that is used by default by Unity. Okay, so we have to work on that, and also the fonts, okay, so that we do not need to keep on recreating the images. So those are the top priorities on our to-do list. Okay, so we'll be streaming either tomorrow or the day after next at the same time. Okay, so but for today we'll stop here as I have to go off soon. So I hope that you have enjoyed today's live stream and have a great weekend and an awesome new week ahead. So I'm looking forward to